Imagine a moment when a single decision has the power to redefine the destiny of one of the most watched cryptocurrencies, XRP. In just a few days, the outcome of a closed-door SEC meeting could trigger a tidal wave of change, sending XRP soaring or crashing below critical levels. Stay tuned, because this isn't just another crypto update, it's a pivotal moment that could rewrite the rules of the game. Welcome to TJ Crypto World Channel, your gateway to deep dive analysis and insider insights that cut through the noise of the crypto universe. Today, we're zeroing in on XRP as it teeters on the brink of a major transformation. With the SEC's closed meeting set for April 3rd, every decision made behind those doors could have a monumental impact on XRP's price action and legal standing. If you're passionate about being on the cutting edge of crypto trends, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you ring the bell so you never miss an exclusive update. In today's video, we'll explore every angle, from the anticipated SEC ruling to technical price signals and market sentiment, detailing how each factor interplays to shape XRP's future. We'll also dissect expert opinions and reveal why this meeting could be the catalyst for either a massive rally or a sharp decline. Stay with us until the end, as we uncover actionable insights that could be the key to your next strategic move in the crypto market. XRP's fate now hangs in a delicate balance as investors brace for the SEC's closed-door meeting on April 3rd. The stakes couldn't be higher. Market watchers know that this isn't a routine session, it's a critical juncture where the SEC may vote to dismiss its appeal regarding the classification of XRP as a security. For many, this decision is not only a legal turning point but a signal that could either rejuvenate investor confidence or plunge XRP into further uncertainty. Since December 2020, XRP has been under a magnifying glass following the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple Labs. That legal battle has sown seeds of doubt in the minds of investors and created a lingering cloud of regulatory ambiguity. Now, as the SEC prepares to deliberate, the crypto community is split. Some are hopeful for clarity that could ease concerns, while others fear that the decision may exacerbate the volatility that has already rocked XRP's market performance. Recent price action tells a compelling story. XRP experienced a dramatic 19% drop, falling to $2.1088, only to claw back roughly 2.35% on April 1st. Yet, while the broader crypto market surged by approximately 2.81%, XRP continued to lag, weighed down by uncertainty over the SEC's next move. With a market capitalization hovering around $122.3 billion, XRP's struggles have not gone unnoticed. The token has been oscillating between $2.05 and $2.50, far removed from its all-time high of $3.40. This downward drift is a stark reminder that even in a bullish market, unresolved legal issues can cast a long shadow. At the heart of this drama is the question, what exactly will the SEC decide? Ripple CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, hinted as early as March 19 that the SEC might withdraw its appeal regarding the controversial programmatic sales ruling. Such a move could alleviate regulatory pressure and open the door for XRP to regain its footing. Chief Legal Officer, Stuart Alderete, has even floated the idea of a settlement that would slash fines from $150 million, or even potentially from the initial astronomical request of $2 billion, to a more manageable sum. This proposed compromise could represent a turning point, offering a path out of the regulatory labyrinth and restoring some measure of confidence in XRP's future. However, the stakes are enormous. Should the SEC opt to continue its appeal, the prolonged legal battle would likely deepen the market's uncertainty, potentially driving XRP further below the crucial $2 mark. This proposed compromise could represent a turning point, offering a path out of the regulatory labyrinth and restoring some measure of confidence in XRP's future. However, the stakes are enormous. Should the SEC opt to continue its appeal, the prolonged legal battle would likely deepen the market's uncertainty, potentially driving XRP further below the crucial $2 mark. Technical analysts warn that if XRP slips under this key support level, we might witness a cascade of panic selling that could leave the token struggling to find its footing. With the relative strength index, RSI, lingering below 50, and bearish signals mounting on short-term charts, even a slight misstep could trigger a broader decline. Yet, there's a silver lining for those watching the charts closely. Recent technical setups have hinted at a potential bullish bounce. Analysts note that following an oversold signal on the RSI, a brief rally might be on the horizon, provided that the SEC's decision leans favorably. A sustained move above $2.18, for example, could signal that buyers are beginning to regain control, opening the door to a more robust recovery. But this scenario depends heavily on the outcome of the SEC meeting and whether market participants can collectively overcome the prevailing doubts. Beyond the immediate technicals, market sentiment remains a crucial factor. The crypto space is abuzz with speculation not only about XRP's legal battles but also about broader regulatory trends that could redefine digital asset compliance. A decisive move by the SEC could have ripple effects across the entire sector, influencing everything from institutional investment to retail trading strategies. With every passing hour, investors weigh the potential for a clear regulatory path against the risk of an extended period of uncertainty. If you're finding this analysis as eye-opening as I am, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to TJ Crypto World for more in-depth breakdowns like this one. Your engagement helps us deliver the high-caliber content you deserve. As we navigate this high-stakes environment, it's essential to consider not just the legal and technical aspects, but also the human element. Traders and investors have been living with this uncertainty for months, and every new piece of information sends shockwaves through the market. The emotional rollercoaster of hope and fear is a defining characteristic of this period. And while the charts provide valuable guidance, the real story is unfolding behind the scenes in those critical SEC meetings. The market is now at a crossroads. On one side lies the possibility of regulatory clarity, a scenario where the SEC withdraws its appeal, thereby removing a major barrier and allowing XRP to reclaim lost ground. In such a case, we could see a renewed surge in buying activity as institutional and retail investors rally behind a token finally freed from legal constraints. On the other side, if the SEC signals that it will continue its appeal, XRP may find itself trapped in a cycle of volatility, with price action reflecting deep-seated skepticism and fear. In this scenario, even a temporary recovery might prove short-lived, as the specter of further legal complications continues to loom large. While we await the SEC's decision, traders are advised to keep a close watch on technical indicators. A decisive breakout above key resistance levels could signal that the market is ready to move into a new phase of bullish momentum. Conversely, a failure to defend support levels might confirm the bearish outlook, prompting a reassessment of risk and exposure. This dynamic interplay between regulatory news and technical analysis makes the coming days some of the most critical for XRP investors in recent memory. The SEC's meeting on April 3 is not just a date on the calendar, it's a beacon of potential change that could redefine XRP's journey. As each minute ticks by, the market's anticipation builds, and every rumor and analyst call adds another layer to an already complex narrative. Investors and traders, this is a moment to be both cautious and opportunistic, weighing the potential for significant gains against the inherent risks of regulatory uncertainty. Thank you for joining me on this comprehensive exploration of XRP's precarious position as we approach the SEC's pivotal meeting. I truly appreciate your dedication to staying informed with TJ Crypto World. If you found this analysis valuable, please hit that subscribe button, leave your comments below, and share this video with fellow crypto enthusiasts. Be sure to check out our other videos for more insightful analyses, technical breakdowns, and market updates that keep you ahead of the curve in this fast-evolving landscape. Until our next deep dive, stay sharp, stay strategic, and as always, keep riding the crypto wave with confidence.